Hi, you can find an explanation about our media screens. On the table you can find all kind of media screens in several sizes. The sizes vary from very small, 3.5 inch, up to, let's say, 65 inch. Here we have, at this side, we have an open frame touchscreen. We have here a media screen looping video with press button input, which I explain later. Here we have a metal custom made frame, 8 inch. This is an 18.5 inch open frame. This is a 7 inch closed frame, a 14 inch closed frame, plastic housing. We have here an open frame metal housing, 11.6 inch with external press buttons. And we have here a no frame model. It is just the elements only, so you can use like this 7 inch with a PCB board, with an external cable to the PCB board, so you can connect it and play it also as a video in a very thin housing, so you can just make your own housing around it. Let me first explain more about the basic model. A basic model is, for instance, this 7 inch model. It has the same function as the 14 inch and more sizes available, from very small to very big. In basic they are all the same in function. So they are all auto start, auto play and auto loop the video. So it will continuously loop the video. Auto start, so it means I will plug out the power and put it back in, and then it directly will start after booting up the video. Here it goes. So this video will play in a loop. It can also play multi-video files. The video will play from SD card, USB stick, or optionally internal memory. If you have internal memory, you can auto copy by USB stick to the internal memory. So just plug in the USB stick, copy to the internal memory, and then you take out the USB stick and it will play the video from internal memory. The screens have at the back side the screw holes to hold it on a bracket. They have a back stand to put it on a table. As I said, it has SD card, it has a USB stick, it has an output for jack for a headphone, and it has input for power. There are also back buttons available just for next video, volume up, volume down, and a menu button. It has a total closed frame. It looks very nice to hang it up on a wall or putting on a table. Also, our screens, some of our media screens also have HDMI in. It's over here, HDMI in. So you just put in the HDMI cable and you can use it as a monitor. You can change from internal media player into monitor by using the remote control and click on the source button, and you can change into another source. This one is a white housing model. Also, again, at the back side, the bracket phaser to hold it for a bracket, and there's also a hole and comes with a back stand, same as other models, to put it on the desk. Then we also have closed frame housings model, but then also with inputs for press buttons. Here you have the white caps for inputs for bracket, not for brackets, for push buttons. I demonstrated with an open frame, as you can see. Also on this side, at the back side you see the inputs for push buttons. Here we have push buttons. You just plug it in. It's very easy. And you can press the buttons, and if you press a button it will play a new video. If you press again it will play a new video. Press, new video. Press, video. In this example, for this 11.6 inch model, we have 5 of 6 input for connectors for a cable. We can do 6 times for playing video files, or we can do 2 inputs for volume up, volume down. Programming is very simple. Just rename your video files and plug in your SD card and it will run your content. The screens, most of our screens can play full HD video. The smaller screens, some of them play HD 720p video. Besides the press buttons, we also have other types of triggers. I will show it to you. We have, let's say, we have motion sensor. So if you come close to the screen, it can play video after the sensing the motion sensor. We can have also RFID, same as the push button, but now with RFID. So if I have a product with this sticker, RFID sticker, and I scan it, then it will play a video on the screen. You can see it at a section of RFID triggering on our website. You can also do external push buttons, external speaker. Here we have an external speaker that comes with a remote control. We can also do capacitive touch buttons. So let's say this is a capacitive touch button as well. So you can just put your finger on it and it will play a video or volume up, volume down. We can also do touchscreen. This one has touchscreen. I will take out of its power and I'll put it back in here. Also auto start. So if you plug in the power, it will play a video, but now also with touchscreen. So you can navigate on the screen and then click on it and it goes to a video or a slide. Click it back and go back to home. So you can make your own touch screen presentation. It's very easy. You make a kind of tree structure and make it connecting by XML files. More explanation is on the touchscreen info display. It also runs directly from SD card. So I take out SD card and then I put it back in. I switch it off, on, off, plug in the SD card, and then you see it's rolling the content. Comes also with sound as well. Additionally, we can also add light strips, LED light strips. Over here we have an example for a light strip. We can do in custom size, so we can do small ones, big ones. You can use it in your display to light up your logo or light up your products. We can combine it with the interactivity of the push button. If I push a button, it directly lights up a product in the shelf. We can also do LED pad. This is a very big LED pad. It has the same function as LED strip, but then it's more big area which you can have a very smooth lighting at the backside of your product. We can also do custom size of these light LED pads. Over here we have an 18.5 inch. It's in a vertical position, so to demonstrate that our screens can also play in vertical mode. And this one, for example, also has inputs for selection trigger buttons. Most of our screens have IPS panel. This means that you can have a very good angle to watch in the screen, so very good viewing angles. More information you can find on our website, or let us know, then we can help you to make a custom solution for you. Thank you for watching.